see that. What's that? What the? There's a new map. There's two of them, I think, if I'm not mistaken. There's one here. Oh, look at that. The city. New city. That's just what we needed. Yo, we can finally recreate Kong. King Kong.
Hey, you! Behind you, Blue! I'll be
shooting me. There's no escape.
My favorite movie. No, one of them. Is this like the highest point in the map? Wait, I can't get to him.
Oh no! They saw behind you.
The bubonic clay was not my puppy.
I'm on the highest point on the map. What's up, Blue?
Catch him, but I'll catch you.
Hey, Batman. What do you want for dinner? Justice.
Justice!
Justice for Gotham.
Excuse me, sir. Put your hands up.
No.
No, you are.
Why is there a tiny street light? This is over obsessively small.
Go, Johnny. Just Johnny, find some help.
Dude, that's a small street light. What are you
Johnny,
hiding
find
in
some
the
help.
corner for? I think he's dead.
Find some help, Johnny.
Like someone bashed his skull in over there. So I'm just gonna leave before they think it was me.
Johnny, find some help.
Is that an NPC? Yo, is there NPC gorilla tag characters now or something? What is this? Oh, it's a fucking booty. I'm stupid.
I'm gonna need to find
Batman!
Back up.
Blue! Blue! Hi!
Where is he?
I need friends, I'm lonely.
This monkey heist gonna be perfect tomorrow. Hey, Batman, I'm up here!
Yes.
Orange, let me help you.
Oh my god, this isn't just like a city, this is this is Metropolis. This is where Superman lives.
Batman!
Wait, why is Batman in Metropolis? Isn't that Superman?
They found him! I gotta save him!
Yo, wait, hold the phone. Isn't Metropolis the city of Superman, not Batman?
Hey, Batman!
I'm so confused. Come here.
Hey, Batman!
This is where Superman lives. This is Metropolis, dude, not
It's currently
Gotham.
nighttime. I'm taking
This
over.
this isn't Gotham though. You gotta go to Gotham, dude.
Shit.
You're in the wrong map.
This ain't Metropolis either.
It literally said it on the billboard. I can show you. Come here.
What are you doing at the computer, officer?
Come with me. I can show you Metropolis sign. I can show you the Metropolis sign.
Let me get this criminal first.
He has nowhere to go. Oh, he's gone.
Y-E-T-E.
And I'm Batman.
Spider Monkey!
Yo, Spider Monkey, big fan, big fan.
Yeah, what's up? What's
Big fan of your
up,
work.
Spider Monkey? You totally.
I'm so confused by all this stuff because this is Metropolis. Isn't this Superman's world? I think the multiverse is broken. I think the multiverse is broken. We must restore it.
I might need to stick this sneaker on.
Wait, what?
You're Spider Monkey, but this is Metropolis. This is where Superman lives. I think the multiverse is broken.
I'm Superman Monkey.
Come
Spider
with me.
Superman Sigma Skibbity Toilet Monkey.
Scooter Monkey!
I am the Skibbity Toilet Superman. Skibbity Superman. That's Skibbity Man. Hey, look up in the sky. It's a
Oh, hell no!
It's a bird, it's a plane. No, it's me, a monkey.
It's a Skibbity Man.
Oh, damn it. I ran.
Bro, how does that guy have such a deep voice, but he's talking about Scooby Toilet? I'm being serious right now.
Billion and you're in the monkey.
That might be a fake voice, but I'm not sure.
You're in the minimal. Okay, let's get.
What's down here?
Hey, car! Hey, car!
Justice for Gotham!
Hey!
Run.
Orange, chasing that blue one! I'm Scooter Mookie!
Good, nice to meet you, Scooter Monkey.
you in the
Dude, I think the multiverse is broken, honestly.
I'm right on your.
I'm Scooter Mookie! I don't know.
No, dude, this is Metropolis. I just read this giant sign that says Metropolis. I'm so confused.
I'm Scooter Mookie!
Come with me real quick.
I'm jumping on
Where's the sign?
I'm a criminal. I'm in a gang.
Where'd that sign go? Dude, I don't remember the layout of the map, but there was a sign that says Metropolis somewhere.
Is my Joker. The one that I will.
Yeah, this bullet's definitely broken. Where was the sign? It was like on a circular. Oh, right here, look. Metropolis. This is Superman's town.
Scooter Mookie!
Yeah, no, but you're in the Marvel world. That's from the Marvel world. This is DC.
I'm gonna go fight Batman.
Oh no, giant monkey menace.
Oh no, Superman.
So everyone's in their houses right now? Oh, I get it. Who's in here?
Take this. Hey,
Let me put my head in the window.
Blue Monkey.
My hand.
Hey, wait. I'm
Just killed two
Put
kids.
you down.
No one heard that. Okay, good.
You guys are done.
Now I see what's going on. I read the full thing, so now I know.
Time to knock him down. Time to knock him down.
John Monkus here. Monkey menace in Gotham City. Okay, Metropolis.
Do it. He just hurt me.
John Monkus is here.
Today. Too much pain today.
Monkey mayhem in Metropolis. What do you have to say about this?
It's very chaotic, but I'm lazy. I'm Monkey D. Liffy, so I'll be fine. My gosh.
See you later.
You know what?
I salute you, sir, in the next world.
No killing. Now what was it?
Wait, do you know a white color?
I just had to break my.
Do you know a white color? I mean,
I think it's all like 9. I think that's what he did the
Tired of letting you cook. Stab him.
do you know a white color?
It's all 9. You gotta do all 3 of them as 9. You get this.
Look behind you.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
Scooter Mookie.
Let's put the controller back. Here we go.
Now I must stop.
I'm gonna join another dimension because this shit ain't it.
I'm gonna beat him up like a monkey.
I can't run after it.
He escaped me.
My god, dude.
It shows you what code RI.
Monkey mayhem in Metropolis here. I'm
Again out.
No, I'm what's wrong?
As long as he's not like saying.
Power friends.
Wait, I see the fact.
Power friends.
No. Moving on to
Ba-la-la-la.
You missed. You missed that.
It's the BMX thing. Alright, we gotta take down this mess over here. Apparently this is where Superman lives because this city's called Metropolis. I'm not joking.
Damn. It's just New York though.
It's literally, yeah, it's buildings from New York, just named Metropolis.
No.
Crap.
Oh wait.
Venom is pretty wet.
Oh, crap.
Venom is a symbiote, and symbiotes are a type of liquid. What type of alien? Not gorillas, because gorillas, they don't move with their hands, they move with their legs.
Yeah, but we're like non-legged gorillas. Okay,
Haven't you seen the trailer?
we're a science experiment for the Area 51 government.
We're like gorillas and aliens at the same time, because they don't have legs. We move with our hands.
We're just an experiment from Area 51. Okay, I don't want anyone to say otherwise.
Yeah, we're from Area 51.
What?
How are we from Area 51?
What's up?
We're not from Area 51. We're from a different planet. Area 51 is in
Yeah, I know. It's literally just Metropolis. That's what I'm saying.
It says.
It says Metropolis. It says Big Monkey Menace or whatever in Metropolis. Something like that.
I love that.
We have to get up here.
It's moving.
Yo, then we got a boxing champ over there.
He looks
It's Monk Tyson.
like he has Down
It's
syndrome.
Monk Tyson.
Like,
Instead of Mike, it's Monk.
you don't look normal.
It's Monk Tyson. Oh, he didn't like that. I hit the sign and I hit the thing and music started playing. I don't like that.
This music is so marvelous.
Yeah, it literally is. But yet again, you also gotta realize there's spider monkeys in the multiverse too. So.
Actually, I want to do a But it says I'm in a red spot.
Crap. Back it up, back it up, back it up.
I'm sad.
Oh, I made it. Let's go.
I'm Big Venom. Come back here. I'm stronger.
Dude, we should go like if we can get on that bit top of the bridge, that'd be so funny. We just watch everyone run in and go like crazy.
Oh my.
Just watch all the chaos unfold from up there. Oh, or we could go up there. That really tall building that's still being built.
Yo,
for
we're
whatever
playing
reason.
superheroes.
Cool.